Here are 50 living room design ideas that offer more than just visuals. We'll delve into the core principles of modern design, explaining each element in detail. A modern living room design is characterized by a combination of aesthetic and functional elements that reflect contemporary tastes and lifestyles. Here's what typically makes a living room modern when it comes to design. Let's start with simplicity and minimalist. Modern design often emphasizes clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and a minimalistic approach. This means less ornamentation and a focus on functionality. The use of neutral colors creates a sense of calm and serenity. The furniture is minimal and functional with no unnecessary clutter. The plants add a touch of nature and life to the space. The overall layout of the room is open and airy, with plenty of natural light. Neutral color palette. Modern living rooms often feature a neutral color scheme, including shades of white, gray, beige, or black. These colors create a calm and sophisticated ambiance, setting the stage for relaxation and conversation. The neutral palette serves as a versatile backdrop, allowing other design elements to shine without overwhelming the space. Whether you prefer a monochromatic look or want to add subtle pops of color, understanding the power of neutrals can help you create a harmonious and timeless living room. Mixed textures. Combining different textures like glass, metal, wood, and fabric adds depth and interest without compromising the minimalistic approach. The interplay of textures brings a tactile dimension to the living room, engaging the senses and adding visual complexity. Imagine the cool touch of a glass coffee table contrasted with the warmth of a wooden floor, or the softness of a fabric sofa juxtaposed with a sleek metal lamp. These combinations create a dynamic and layered look that feels both modern and inviting. Open floor plan. The living room is located in a large, airy space with high ceilings. This helps to create a sense of openness and spaciousness. The furniture is arranged in a way that allows for easy movement around the room. This is important in an open floor plan, as you don't want furniture to block the flow of traffic. In modern open floor plan living rooms features a fireplace, which provides a focal point and a place to gather and relax. A TV, which is often mounted on the wall so that it can be viewed from anywhere in the room. A dining area, which is often located in the same space as the living room to create a more casual and inviting atmosphere. Plants, which add a touch of nature and light to the space. Innovative lighting. Innovative lighting creates a unique and stylish atmosphere. The lighting in the living room is not your typical overhead chandelier or sconces. Instead, there are a variety of different lights that are used to create a unique and stylish atmosphere. For example, there are hanging lights that look like orbs, and there are also floor lamps with geometric shapes. Natural light floods the room from large windows. The natural light helps to brighten the space and make it feel more inviting. A few pops of color add visual interest. The pops of color, such as the red throw pillows and the green plants, help to break up the neutral color palette and add a touch of personality to the room. Natural materials. Natural materials are often used in modern living rooms because they are durable and easy to clean. They are also relatively inexpensive, making them a good choice for modern living rooms. We can see that the following natural materials are used in the living room. Wood. The floor is made of wood, which adds warmth and character to the space. Stone. The fireplace is made of stone, which is a durable and timeless material. Leather. The couch is made of leather, which is a luxurious and comfortable material. Plants. The plants add a touch of nature and life to the space. The use of natural materials in the living room creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It also helps to make the room feel more grounded and connected to nature. Green element. Green is often used in modern living rooms because it is a calming and refreshing color. It is also a color that is associated with nature, which can help to create a more relaxed and inviting atmosphere. The plants add a touch of nature and life to the space. They also help to purify the air and improve the overall quality of the environment. The throw pillows. The green throw pillows add a pop of color to the space and help to break up the neutral color palette. They also create a more inviting and comfortable atmosphere. The rug helps to ground the space and create a sense of warmth and coziness. It also helps to tie the different elements of the room together. The use of green elements in the living room creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. It also helps to make the room feel more spacious and airier. Sleek furniture. Sleek furniture is often used in modern living rooms because it is stylish and minimalist. It also helps to create a clean and uncluttered look. The couch is made of a light-colored fabric and has a simple, modern design. It is also low to the ground, which helps to create a sense of openness and space in the room. The coffee table is made of glass and metal, which gives it a sleek and modern look. It is also a simple design, which helps to keep the focus on the other furniture in the room. The rug is made of a neutral color, which helps to ground the space and create a sense of calmness. It is also a simple design, which helps to keep the focus on the other furniture in the room. The use of sleek furniture in the living room creates a modern and stylish look. It also helps to create a clean and uncluttered space. The use of artistic accents in the modern living room is a great way to add personality and interest to a space. It is also a way to show off your own personal style. If you are looking to create a stylish and inviting living room, I encourage you to incorporate some artistic accents into your decor. The painting is abstract and colorful, and it adds a sense of energy and excitement to the room. The colors in the painting are bold and vibrant, and they contrast nicely with the neutral colors of the walls and furniture. The abstract style of the painting also adds a touch of creativity and individuality to the room. The vase of flowers on the coffee table is a simple but elegant touch. The flowers add a touch of color and life to the room, and they also make the space smell nice. The throw pillows on the couch are a great way to add color and texture to the room. The pillows can be in a variety of colors and patterns, so you can choose pillows that match your personal style. If you're looking for products or items similar to the ones we discussed in this video, check out the links in the description box below. We've curated a list of items that can help you achieve the perfect living room. I hope you found this video insightful and helpful. If you did, please hit the thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.